Bicol University Oval. Also known as the BU Oval. Is a landmark in the heart of Legazpi City, Philippines. It is a 1.3-kilometer oval-shaped track that serves as a venue for various sports events and recreational activities. The oval was originally a marshy area that was transformed into an athletic field in the 1930s. It was used as a training ground for athletes from then Bicol Teachers College, now Bicol University. In the 1950s, the oval was renovated and became a fully functional track and field facility. Through the years, the oval has witnessed many historical events. During the martial law era in the 1970s, it was used as a detention center for activists and political prisoners. In 1981, it was the venue of the National Open Athletics Championships, which was attended by top athletes from all over the country. In 2006, the oval was given a major facelift with the construction of a rubberized track. And other facilities such as bleachers, locker rooms, and a grandstand. This was made possible through the efforts of the Bicol University administration and the support of the local government. Today, the Oval is a popular destination for runners, joggers, and sports enthusiasts. It is also used as a venue for various events, such as fun runs, concerts, and other gatherings. The Oval remains an important part of the history and culture of Bicol University and the city of Legazpi.